a birdie. Here are in few steps. First, practice for a circle. Let us see standing line, slant line and a triangle. Okay, we will practice this. Then we will start with the steps. Step 1, make a circle. Then step 2, we have divided our drawing into these steps. So let's start. Make a birdie. There are in few steps. Step 1, draw a circle. This circle is our face. Draw one C. Another one. Now draw a circle joining with our this line. Okay. Now from here, again a curved line. Close the curved line. Curve line again, and the same curve line in the same direction. Are you getting to see the idea? Small triangle as a beak, small two circles as a eyes, sleeping line as an eyebrow, crown of a bird, two standing line, our birdie is ready. Isn't it nice? Make it and show me. Okay?